This is not what I expected to see when I came to the computer this morning. An article about Michael Jackson. I literally just opened this up and it was just there. Man's been dead since 2009, but they're still writing articles about him. This one is about his estate, and they're having issues with his ex-wife. Um, Let me just get into the article. Uh, uh, the executors of Michael Jackson's estate revealed that they had to deal with issues related to one of the King of Pop's ex-wives. They made a plea deal for legal fees. Uh, Last week, Jackson's daughter raised concerns about payments made from her father's estate. Some of the concerns centered on payments to law firms for unrecorded attorney time in 2018, which meant it was unclear exactly what the lawyers were being paid for. In a legal filing from February 2025, seen by U.S. Magazine, the estate executors attorney detailed what one of the law firms was tasked with. The work included addressing issues related to Michael Jackson's former spouse, although the filing did not specify which of the pop star's former wives was involved. Jackson was married twice, 1994 to 1996, and then the mother of uh, two children from 1996 to 2000. The firm also addressed a claim made regarding alleged ownership of rights attained by a bankruptcy proceeding involving Jackson's parents. Another issue dealt with by lawyers was a dispute with Jackson's former manager and financial advisor. The financial advisor claimed he was owed over $5 million for work done between 2007 and 2009. The claim was headed to trial in 2018 before the parties came to a $3 million settlement. Uh, the 27, wow, they're 27 already. The 27-year-old is one of King of Pop's three children. After he died in 2009, she became the beneficiary of his estate, along with her brothers, uh, Prince and BG. Her grandmother was also provided for in Jackson's will. That is crazy. Um, I mean, it's just crazy. Like everything that like after his death, they're still having money issues this far out. Um, Her lawyer wrote during this 1 6 month period alone in 2018, uh, executors requested that the court approve $625,000 in payments to three law firms for what they say is uncaptured time without explanation as to why counsel was incapable of recording unbilled time or why such a failure should not preclude payment. The lawyer continued, even worse, these payments appear to be, at least in part, to consist of lavish, well, who would have guessed that? Lavish grat- gratuities bestowed upon already well compensated counsel. Jackson's legal team argued that the payments reflect poorly on the executor of a state's writing. These irregular payments raise serious and substantial questions about executors' ability and uh, ability to effectively supervise counsel and refraining from wasteful six-figure gift giving to themselves and their colleagues. The filing added, despite repeated inquiries from the court, executors are unable to provide even remotely satisfactory explanation for their delay, nor have they provided the beneficiaries any sort of plan to fix the ongoing issues and the on to fix this ongoing and worsening issue. Uh, Last August, it was reported that Jackson's estate had been given the go-ahead by Los Angeles Appeals Court to sell a portion of the late pop icon's song to Sony Music for about $600 million. The Independent is the world's most free-thinking. Okay, that's where this article is from. It's from The Independent. So he's been dead since 2009, but they just made a sale last year for $600 million to Sony Music Group. Hopefully his kids will be well off, you know? I mean, but this whole estate thing is crazy. Was, I've been kind of reading on and off about the issues that the estate had and all the money issues that they've had ever since he died. And it just seems to be getting worse and worse. Anyway, I just wanted to share that. Have a good day. Bye-bye.